Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Des, back with another tutorial. Y'all know how we do, we get straight into this video. So today we will be using some shining gem, just like that. And then we got the red one, aqua wax. This is my go-to. I usually use the purple or the black. Today I'll be using the purple one. You will be needing a rat tail comb or a parting comb to help part the hair. Some hair shears for trimming the flyaways when you're done braiding. Of course, some section clips or duckbill clips or whatever kind of clips you like. I like to use the middle ones like you see here. Last but not least, some rubber bands, scrunchies, hair ties, whatever you want to call them. But let's get straight into the parting. As you've read by the title, we will be doing some medium thigh length knotless box braids. This took me about roughly 9 hours to complete. So in all honesty, I wanted to pre-part because I knew it would take me long any which way, and pre-parting would help me move a lot faster. So here you see me applying some of the product to the scalp. Do this to help me redefine my part. Once I apply the product, I then go back and repart that row. Let's get into the hair, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, we are getting this hair together, baby. So we are going in, we are parting, we are reparting, we are applying product, baby. We are making sure that everything is clean and nice so this comes out 100% perfect, baby. Woo, baby. Clean parts. Okay, we see you. I like to separate my sections that way. It is easy and clear, so I know exactly where I'm going to braid and how I'm going to part my subsection. All right, we're almost there. We're almost to the top. Just keep watching and stay tuned. Type 4 hair is like my favorite texture to work with. You guys, type 4 hair is amazing, okay? I don't care what nobody says. This is the best texture. But baby, continue to watch me work. As y'all have noticed by now, I do not braid any of my clients' hair with heat. Okay, baby, we do this all natural in its natural state. That is the most healthiest thing you can do. We don't do bone straights over here. This is the last section right here, so I'm just twisting that up and out of the way. And now I'm just going to give you guys a full 360 so you guys can see how my sections look. This is the back. Obviously, this is still a back, but you knew that. So you guys can see my rows are very much neat, and it'll be easier for me to get to my subsections and create that beautiful window part. Next, y'all can see she got a lock on one side, so this bottom row is only gonna have 2 braids. I go in with my shining gem, I repart that section, then I go in with my product. I use the aqua wax first, then I go in with some shining gem. I comb it through, and now we are going to braid it down, baby. You braid it down once, braid it down twice, and then we add some weave. Then we braid down again, baby. You know the vibe, Then we go ahead and you take that strand on the top, and we flip it underneath. We tuck and continue to braid. Then we add more weave, baby. You understand the assignment? Now? I bet. Now, I'm going to stop talking because I know y'all don't want to hear my raspy, high-pitched, annoying voice, okay? Just watch me slay these braids. Okay, last thing. Y'all see that length, though? Get into it. Never mind what me say. I ain't going to talk. I ain't going to run my mouth. And if you don't like it, me not to tell you. Still like the video. Still subscribe. Still turn on your post notification, because obviously you still watching, so that means that you love my content. And if you love my content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because what you doing? What you really doing? You done already reached this far. It's only best. Turn on those post notifications. Anyways, we have to add a little pop of color in here because ain't nobody want no plain old braids, okay? We want a little color. So when you step up, people be like, oh my God, who that? Okay, you might not be Jay-Z, you might not be Beyonce, you might not be Rihanna, but you is you, and you independent, and you beautiful. Another one. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Get it together. Okay, we're doing a little peekaboo. We definitely seeing you in these streets after you done get braided by me. Alright, anyways, y'all, get into these braids though. Like, it's so neat, so pretty, so beautiful. Next caller, we almost done. But first thing first, we gotta present the weekend. The weekend. No, I'm inserting the clip of the weekend right there. All right, stop the kiki ha-ha-ing. All right, let's get back into it. So now the braids are done. We are going to apply some mousse on the top. This keeps away the frizz and adds a little bit of shine. I always get this question. What does the mousse do? What does the white stuff do? I'm telling you, I go ahead and I put my black strips on top. That is to take away the extra moisture, period. Like, I know what I'm doing. Anywho, I go with my blow dryer, and now it's time to dip. I'm taking my towel, putting it over my shoulder. I got my hot water. I am dipping the braids. I always throw the ends first, and then we work our way up to the top. I know y'all see that steam. All right. Now, after we dip, we grab our towel, and we just bring it down slowly. You see that mechanism that I'm doing there? That keeps the braids straight so they do not crinkle up. Do that. Do that. All the way to the ends. I have no idea why I'm changing my accent, but anywho, I do a little shake thing with a towel, keeps the braid straight and neat and it don't tangle. Then I gently pull until the ends are straight to my liking. And if they are not, I go back with the hot water, baby, okay? I go back with the hot water. And I don't make sure it's straight, okay? Next side, let's go. Start with the ends. And then we work our way up to the tippy top. You tell your client to bend their head back because, yeah, you don't want the hot water to go on them. Now we grab our towel and we do the same thing. You see that little mechanism, the up and down thingy? Do that. You remember what I said? Do that. All right, boom. Okay, so that's done. We do the little towel shake thingy again. Period. Don't know why I changed my accent again, but that's life. Anyways, redip the ends because they wasn't to my liking. I like it to be straight, okay? Mini perfectionist. You don't see she shake her head already? Because baby, she ready to swing them things. And now boom, the final result. Hello. Who is that? Okay, y'all see neat parts, the little pop of color, everything. You see the peekaboo with the blonde in the back. Hello. Braids by who? Beyond Unique, baby. Come visit me in the Virgin Islands. Come visit me, y'all. You get scenery, a view, and jokes. Love y'all. See y'all in the next video.